Have you ever really stopped to think about just how many online accounts you actually have?
Probably not. Most people don't.
It's kind of mind-boggling when you hear the number, the average person, somewhere between 70 and 80 passwords.
Uh-uh.
70.
Yeah.
And here's the kicker, right?
Yeah.
Weak passwords, reused passwords. They're the number one reason for data breaches. We're talking billions in costs.
It's huge. And trying to manage that yourself,
Yeah.
manually, it's basically impossible.
Exactly, a recipe for disaster.
But look, the interesting thing is the solution isn't about having a super memory. It's about using the right tools.
Like password vaulting.
Precisely. Password vaulting. It's really a savvy and essential way to protect yourself online. It forces good habits that are just too hard to keep up otherwise.
Okay, so let's dig into that. Today we're doing a deep dive into password vaulting.
Yep.
Our mission, to really unpack it, the benefits, how it works, the best ways you can use it to secure your digital life. We want to cover why it's vital and how it actually changes the game for your online security.
Absolutely. So, starting with why it's so essential. Well, first off, heightened security. We're talking strong encryption here.
Like really strong.
Oh, yeah. Think AES 256-bit encryption. That's the gold standard, used by governments and banks. And importantly, good vaults use zero-knowledge architecture.
Zero knowledge. What does that mean exactly?
It means even the company providing the vault service can't see your unencrypted passwords. Only you can, with your master password. They hold the encrypted blob, but not the key.
Okay, that's a really important point. And beyond the security, there's the sheer convenience, right? One password to rule them all, basically.
Exactly. One strong master password unlocks everything. Think about the centralized management. No more password chaos scattered across notes or spreadsheets.
Or worse, reused everywhere.
Right. And you get an audit trail. You can see who logged in, when, maybe from where. It provides transparency. You just don't get doing it manually.
So how does it actually work? What's happening, under the hood?
Well, the mechanism is pretty clever but robust. Your passwords get encrypted before they even leave your computer or phone.
Okay, so secure from the get-go.
Correct. Then you set up that one crucial, strong master password. That's your key. You have to protect that one.
Makes sense. And I know a lot of vaults also push for two-factor authentication, 2FA.
Yes, definitely. That adds another vital layer of security, usually involving your phone. It means even if someone somehow got your master password, they'd still need your phone to get in.
Some people might worry, though. Isn't it risky putting all your passwords in one place? Like all your eggs in one basket?
That's a fair question, and it comes up a lot. But remember that zero-knowledge architecture.
Right, where the provider can't see the data.
Exactly. Your data is encrypted locally first. So while it's convenient for you to have it all in one vault, it's shielded from the provider. The risk of a single point of failure on their end exposing your unencrypted data is minimized. Plus, once you're logged in, many vaults autofill logins securely. Super smooth.
Okay, that clarifies the eggs in one basket concern.
Yeah.
So given all these benefits, what are the best practices? How do you use these things effectively?
Great question. First, choose a reputable provider. Seriously, do your homework. Look for that strong encryption, zero knowledge, maybe security audits. Don't just pick the first free one you see.
Good advice. What else?
Your master password. It absolutely must be complex and unique. Long, random characters, something you can remember but nobody could guess. This is non-negotiable.
And inside the vault, keep things updated, right? Don't reuse passwords within the vault either.
Correct. Use the Vault's password generator to create strong, unique passwords for every single site. The Vault remembers them, so you don't have to. Yep. That temptation to reuse, gone.
Definitely turn on 2FA for the vault itself.
Absolutely. And finally, back up your Vault periodically. Most good services offer secure backup options, just in case.
Makes sense. Now let's widen the lens a bit. This isn't just for individuals, is it? What about businesses, maybe smaller ones?
Oh, for small businesses, it's a total game changer. Think about managing employee access.
Yeah, onboarding, offboarding.
Exactly. Instead of juggling dozens of logins manually per employee, a business vault offers centralized control. You can grant or revoke access instantly and securely.
So a better productivity, easier compliance, maybe?
Definitely. Plus, enhanced security across the board and much simpler access control for the whole team. It really streamlines things.
So wrapping things up, it seems pretty clear. Password vaulting is, It's a really powerful shield against cyber threats today.
It truly is. If you adopt vaulting and stick to those best practices we talked about, you significantly strengthen your digital defenses.
Protects your information, gives you peace of mind, maybe.
That's a huge part of it. Genuine peace of mind in this crazy connected world. It's about taking back control, building a more secure online foundation for yourself or your business.
So here's something to think about as we finish. Given how relatively simple this is and the massive security boost it offers, what steps will you take starting today to secure your own digital future?